So this is a shout out to all the participants of the Mad Max group build. Thanks everyone for joining and watching the videos. Go check out their channels. I'll have a link in the description, and they have their full build videos there. I just kind of took a little excerpts from each one and combined them into one. So without further ado, let's check them out. First, we got Mars Garage, and he did, it looks like kind of like a 2000 something Camaro. I wasn't quite sure, but it turned out awesome. He actually rated his son's toy box for some of the parts. That was pretty funny. Extra guns, extra saw. Just turned out really cool. Really like those rims you picked, Mars. That was really cool looking. I like it a lot. Thanks for joining, man. I appreciate it. Like I said, please go check out their channels and check out their videos, their full videos that they did. Next is 68 Ford Man, and he did a 69 Camaro. Turned out awesome. Love this thing. Look at the B easily in the movie, I think. Excellent job, man. I really like this, what you did with this. There's a skull up front. Of course, the Mad Max fuel tank, a couple bullet holes, blower, 572 big block Chevy. Next is P.L.I.G scale model with Pat, and he did something really cool. I really like this. Looks like a old Ford body with a semi chassis, and then of course a airplane motor. Just super cool looking. I tried to count how many cylinders that is, and I kept losing count. So looks like some harpoon shooters in the back off of compressed air or something. And yeah, just excellent model. Nice job, Pat. Next up is and his 66 Buick Wildcat from AMT. This thing is cool. I really dig these back tracks. Nile said this is the first one he's done in quite some time, so he was really happy to get back into it. And you see he's got a little machine gun there, and if you look here real close in the seat, he's actually got a sawed-off shotgun. Just a really cool job now. Thanks for joining. We really appreciate it. And next up is D Factory Rat, and he has got a Ford Ranchero. Ooh, yeah, I like this thing. Called the Injector. Some serious air intake, custom rims, off-road tires, everything that's you gotta have for the Mad Max world. I really like that he took a Ranchero. I would have never thought of a Ranchero, but it works really well. You can see the rockets out the back, rockets up top on the roof. Just a really cool model. Well done, man. Next up is my two builds. Let's see. I did a 64 Pontiac GTO, and the other one was kind of like a I really don't know what it was when I started, but